I'm 15 kilometers away from Inverness, heading south. This is a lovely countryside. The weather is a bit chilly this morning, but at least it's not raining. AVIEMORE will be 30 miles, so 45. Hopefully I'm gonna get there for lunch. Yeah, it's a little bit too cold. I'm gonna put the jacket on because it's pretty windy, as you can imagine, as you can see. And yeah, it's pretty wild up here. It's nothing really. Yeah. We'll see tonight. I'm gonna find a sleep. Gonna be a tent or something. I don't know. We'll see anyway. Very slow progress. Quite headwind now. The rain is very bad. It's all muddy. Yeah, very bad. But anyway, temperature is quite cold now. Probably around 0. And yeah, pretty challenging. And now even getting worse. Shit. But now you tell me if in your opinion this one is a cycling path. I mean a national route. You know, this is you can barely see. It's all up and it's full of mud and stone. I mean, this one is good for mountain biking. Yeah, amazing. But it's 12:30 and it's 20 to 1 already, so this has been good, but it's been quite challenging. So look at where I come from. So there is no path, there is no cycling path. It's a fucking GPS. It took me here for some random reason. Anyway, view is lovely, by the way. Quite cold and now it starts raining, so good. Okay, it's a bit challenging now. So the GPS tells me that now soon I need to turn the left, but the only road I can see on my left hand side is that the bloody steep hill over there. You probably cannot see because the sun, but it's running all the way down. So I hope it's not gonna be that one. I hope it's gonna be a nice and easy path, but I don't think so. I don't know if you can see, but this is like a wall. It's not a path, this is a wall. For God's sake. So the first part is done, but it's just facing now a fucking huge climb. I hope it's not gonna be that one, but I don't know. I'm gonna show you now, but I don't know if you can see, but the roads go down the way, then goes out that way. And it looks like a bloody steep. That will take me all day to get up there. Fucking Google Map and fucking National Cycling number 7. So I'm almost at the last part. The terrain is shit. It's just sticky. Keep your wheels, your tires on the terrain. It's like a mag. It's difficult to cycle. Now it's almost flat and I'm on a 4th gear. I can't cycle faster. You see from the diagram on the GPS, it's steep as fuck. Let's see if I can get up there. Well, I have to anyway, but yeah, I don't know how. It looks like a very steep. Anyway, GPS, forget about GPS. Fuck the GPS. Here we are. I start walking because it's pointless to keep pedaling. It's got too slow and yeah, using different muscle. I don't know if I can get up there, to be honest. It looks like a pretty steep. I cannot believe myself. I've been pushed my bike up the hill. I'm fucking 600-ish meters. We make a review about the Garmin because this is has to be speak about. How can you fucking bloody take me to this road on a touring bike? So yeah, I can't believe it. Now I should be all the way down hopefully. And then I got some good and fast. I'm proud of myself. 700-meter climb, the fucking bicycle touring, fully loaded. Fucking amazing. It is the fucking gate, a closing gate. You can see I'm in a hostel. I got to AVIEMORE after a very long ride off-road and took me ages. So tomorrow we'll see. We're probably gonna go to Pitlochry, hopefully to Perth. Is 140k well, without following the bloody GPS, but yeah, I'm gonna go to Perth and then I catch a train eventually. I don't know, I don't really know. We'll see. I'm gonna get a shower now because I'm fucked. Good morning everybody. I'm in AVIEMORE in the hostel, about to leave. It's pretty freezing this morning, you can see. It's all icy. I left my bicycle outside like half an hour and it's bloody frozen. So yeah, pretty chilly but nice weather. So it's sunny and well, sunny. It's okay, it's not raining, so it's fine. So I try to get to Perth today and get the train tonight. If it's not, I'm gonna sleep somewhere and or maybe I can get to Pitlochry. We'll see how's it going because yesterday I was planning to do a lot of miles and in the end I only did like 60 kilometers. So yeah, peace. Check this out. Beautiful sunrise. 9 o'clock in the morning. Leaving AVIEMORE. -1 degree. Bloody cold and beautifully amazing winter cycling. I just stopped for a second because I found this amazing spot. Look at the sunrise, just beautiful. It's absolutely stunning. You know, that's why I'm cycling in winter. I'm wearing sunglasses not for the sun but because it's too cold. Yeah, I mean, check this out, it's so quiet. Monday morning. I think I'm gonna come and live here. Bloody amazing place. I'm gonna take a picture with my super photo camera now. So, see ya. Peace. Cycling to Perth on a chilly morning, Monday 14 I think. -1, 0 degrees, all frosty. Happy days. Peace. I'm almost in Dalwhinnie where the whiskey distillery is. Having a whiskey now won't be helpful, so I might warm it up a little bit, but that will be a pain in the ass. Anyway, keep going and see, am I gonna get a coffee at some point in town. Peace. Getting a banana break before the last stretch. 35k left to go. The darkness is coming, you can see. It gets quite dark now. Lights on, an hour and a half to go. Oh, probably 2, I don't know. Yeah, almost there anyway. I feel great. See, it's pretty dark now. You can still see a little bit, but I think this will be the last video for today until I don't get to the station, which is taking me like an hour, 58 minutes, according with the Google map. Let's see. Positive, yeah. Not tired. Still climb anyway. But yeah, amazing day. Beautiful day. Very proud of myself. It's difficult to find the path, the sign of the path, and the GPS is crazy. And the Google map even worse, because it was taking me to drive on the A9, which is a high traffic road. Look at the size of this kebab. I mean, this is my hand, you know, and it's not even like small, or it's just fucking huge with chips inside. Oh my god, yeah. After the soup, I had a lunch which was great, but just a soup. This is amazing. 7:15, get a train back to Edinburgh. I should be there by 8, so I should be home by 9 o'clock at the latest.